back to the Off-Grid family. You are probably wondering why I'm holding birdseed. Because it's lunchtime. Not really. We are making... Lunchtime. We're making bird feeders. We are using old coconut, shop brought coconut bird feeders, and rather than just throw them away, we've
reused them.
We've reused them, haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so come along, come and watch us. All you need is a pot, some bit of string to hang it up, bird feed,
and
some lard. Yeah, so all you use is bacon lard. You can buy shop brought lard, but we reuse ours if you're cooking anything, bacon, anything like that, as long as it still solidifies.
By the way, it doesn't need to be bacon lard.
No, as long as any type of fat that solidifies. Yeah. And we use that, so it's all reusable, obviously except this. Right, so these are the bird feeders that we're going to use. These are shop brought ones, and rather than just throw them away, we're going to use them. So we're going to use these, fat that we've collected. I've got gloves on because I hate the feel of it.
Same.
And then here, we're just adding a few bits in.
Ew.
Okay. So what we're going to do is you're going to...
I'll probably make a mess anyway, Mum. So.
Get some of this. And I'm going to...
I'll just like follow your steps.
Put it in. And then I'm just going to get...
Ew, it's liquidy.
Just use the top bit.
It's moist.
And then I'm going to add some of this. I should have got a mixing bowl, but we didn't. If you just use one hand, then you can use your clean hand then to...
Yeah. Didn't you agree that everybody says that moist is a disgusting word?
Yeah.
Moist.
Okay, so basically we just want to do this, and then I come along then. And let that dries.
How much should I put in?
Quite a lot.
Okay, well, I'll put in that much for now and see. I'm going to make a mess, you know, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Because I'm not any expert. Oh, this smell.
Basically we just want it like this, look.
And then I can call something fat.
So they get fat for the winter. That'll help them when it's cold.
Because lots of food, because some food. Is that enough bird food, or should I put more?
Add more in.
My hand's still big.
Do you want me to pick it in? You alright?
Fine. Put that much in for now, and then I can always add more then after, can't I?
Yep.
Because I don't want to add too much, and then there's like no fat left in it.
It's up to you.
Do you think it needs more?
No, doesn't need more. I've done mine more or less on top. You've mixed yours in better. So that's why yours looks slightly more even.
I think I might add a little bit more, but I don't want to be here for like an hour just trying to get the ratio correct.
Okay.
I think I might then get a little bit and just like stick it in if you just like put that on the top. And I'll just press it in.
Stick it to my glove. Oh!
Oh, am I?
No.
I love you, Mum.
It's just a nice activity to do, isn't it? We've got these and we're recycling these, we're recycling that.
And we'll be recycling these probably again.
Yeah, and these can be used then all winter. Because we use the pots, we've done one before where we've used the pots.
Yeah, we got like yoghurt pots and we used that.
Yeah, but then we found that
it didn't work very well.
Well, they kept on falling off because they were too light.
This was like designed for it.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah. So, and the birds, I don't know, we felt kind of like the birds got a little bit scared of the pots.
Yeah, because they kept on like moving around. It's like you said, they're not heavy enough.
So,
can you put a little bit more bird food in, please?
So these pots have been used by the birds, and it's by the bird seed anyway, by the bird feeder.
And they'll be used to it because they've already used it.
That's right, they know it's there.
What the heck is that?
It's burnt. So they know it's there.
Burn, baby, burn.
We could sit in the kitchen and watch them then.
Me and Pumpkin love watching birds.
Yeah.
We saw
Right, mine's done.
one blackbird, mine almost is. Saw one blackbird, a robin. Wait, no, we saw 2 blackbirds. 2 blackbirds, a robin, and that bluebird that we saw.
Nice.
I think mine's full, like more full than yours, but you know it's fine. Do we have to like put them in like the fridge or something so they can harden, or is it fine?
Can do, but I'm not going to bother today.
Next time maybe.
Just because I want to get it done while the dog is sleeping.
Next time maybe.
Yeah.
Well, we've got a little bit more time and the dog's more mature.
Right, so that's for the bin.
Do you think that's good?
Perfect. Yeah, should we hang them up? So, this is it basically.
That's Mummy's, and then this is mine. Mine's better than hers, obviously. But if you guys can see that, there you go.
So, should we?
Mine's better. Look, vote which one you think is better. I think mine.
Let's hang them up. So, there's mine. Hang it up.
Then the better one's mine.
Lily's is, if I can get this to work,
You'll be able to tell because it's like
it
way better.
is,
Yeah. It's way better than hers. Like, look. So
and that is our feeding station.
And then I've got mine.
Yeah, and we've
Should I
also,
tell you where mine's separated? Because it's like better, it's like VIP.
so that's the VIP lounge, is
Yeah, and then that's just meh lounge. Meh.
it? Nah.
Meh.
Cheerio, that's it. Job done.
Bye, John.
Do it if you want to. Don't do it. Whatever.
So, bye.
Yeah, so what else we need to say? Bye. If you like our videos, like and subscribe to see more of this beauty.
I know, right? I'm so amazing.
Hello. Yeah. See you again soon. Bye.